What do you do when you've got 5 minutes to get ready, but you still want to look presentable and put together? We've all been there. Running late, no time to spare. So I thought, why don't I show you my real-time, unedited 5-minute everyday makeup routine? No cuts, no filters, just me getting ready as quickly and efficiently as possible to show you that you can do it too in the same amount of time. Let's get into it. So I have no skin prep on right now. I haven't even done my brows. Normally I shape my brows and I let them dry and then I fill them in and then I go in with the rest of my routine. But if I only have 5 minutes to get ready, I certainly don't have time for that. So we're gonna finagle that just a little bit to make it work. I'm gonna start the timer right now. Let's go. Starting with brows, this is the NYX Brow Glue in clear, and I'm just running it through. Again, really quickly, just getting the shape. I'm just gonna tack them down. Going into the other brow. You guys are gonna get a glimpse to see just how I can do this. All right. So, oop, see? And always, whenever you're in a hurry, things never go according to plan. It seems like this left brow is being very stubborn. There we go. And I'm just gonna press it down. Okay. Going into skin. Can't even get it out. Going into skincare, I have the Point of View Priming Milk right here. I'm just going to take some in my hands. At this point, I'm not even going to worry about where stuff lands because we're in a hurry. We need to get out the door. And the reason I'm going in with a priming milk or a toner essentially is because you get that plumpness and that moisture that a moisturizer would give you, but it absorbs much quicker. For SPF, sorry about that. That's my husband's computer. For SPF, we have the SPF drops from Rodial. I'm just going to take whatever's in the dropper in my hands, work that in. The brows are already drying. Now, normally I would do my brows first before any skincare because I like to make sure there's nothing interfering with whatever shape I want to create. But like I said, I just want to get this done. So there we go, just working that into the skin. I realize I haven't actually started a timer on my end. So let's hope that we're gonna be able to get this done. I'm just gonna go timer, stopwatch, go. Okay, great. Oops, that's what happens when you're working on the fly. Okay, so just wanna wipe my hands. And then I wanna go, let me see. I think my brows are dry enough, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. Kudos to all of you watching this, watching me be crazed because I'm trying to just get this done. So let's do just a quick fill in. Nothing precious, getting that shape. And the thing for me, if I'm in a hurry, the thing I'm going to focus on is details. So you won't see me doing any kind of intricate eye looks today. Nothing crazy with my skin, even though the skin must look as good as possible. Because if the skin looks good, everything looks good. But let's get these brows on right here. And I have a mirror far away as well. All right, I think we're a minute down. Woo. All right. Into complexion, this is the Chanel Water Fresh Touch. This is in the shade medium. I'm grabbing my my It Cosmetics brush, and we're just gonna buff this in really quickly. Going all the way up under the eye, down the neck, and then onto the forehead, covering as much as we can. Up to the ear. Okay, grabbing my Tower 28 concealer on the back of my hand. I'm just going to use my fingers and go right under in the areas that I need it. Around the nose, on the chin, under the eyes, on the eyelids, and then I'm just going to take my brush, buff everything in. Going in with bronzer, this is the Milani bronzer. I love this. It's in the shade Spilling Tea. On my Smith Cosmetics brush, tapping it off on the back of my hand, just going directly on top of the cheeks and the nose, on the top of the forehead, on the edges of the eye for a little contour, down the neck. Then grabbing my foundation brush again, it's like my magic eraser. Blush, we have the Tarte blush. Everything will be linked in the description below. I'm just gonna go directly on here. Grabbing my blush brush, just tapping. All right, we've got about a minute. Woo! Tower 28 powder, my powder puff, right in the T-zone. All right, mascara. Woo! Okay, and then this is the Maybelline Sky High. This is in the shade, I think this is like a plum shade. It's really, really pretty. All right, so we're not gonna make it to 5 minutes. Let's see if we can make it to 6. I guess I was just a little over ambitious. Ooh. Oh, I just got that in my eye. That's really fun. Gotta love that. Just combing through that. All right, let's make it to 6 minutes. We're gonna do, I have the Tower 28 lip liner. It's gonna do a little sketch. Pat McGrath lip gloss. And there we go. How do we do? Woo! So that's my super quick and dirty 6-minute everyday makeup routine. Honestly, I think if I didn't have to be talking to you throughout the whole thing, I'd be able to do it in 5 minutes or just over 5 minutes. So I hope you all will cut me a little bit of slack in that area. As far as when you're thinking about trying to get ready in a hurry, think about the essentials. You want the skin to look good. You want the details to look good. That's why I still focused on my brows. That's why I still focused on my lashes. You don't want to see the aftermath of what's going on right down here because my makeup is everywhere. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this. I thought this would be something fun to do just to kind of mix it up a little bit. Everything that I used, including my brushes, will be linked in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.